Good afternoon, students. Hope you have followed the last class. The last class that we were doing were on verbs and tenses. So, as per the last class that we have completed the two tenses, that is present, simple present or simple indefinite, and continuous. Okay. So, a quick revision of the last class, that is tenses. So, what is the tenses? The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus. Okay, it comes from the Latin word tempus and it means time. So thus we know that tense of a verb shows not only the time of an action or event but also the state of an action, state of the action referred to. Okay. So in the last class we have come to know that when we are talking about tense, we are talking about verbs. Verb is a doing word. So a verb can express, it can express some physical action, a mental action, and all that action or the state of being. And what happens is that that action, when it was when it happened or when that action took place, that timing is called the tense. So in the last class that we have done, we have discussed about the simple indefinite and the present continuous. We have also known that there are three types of tenses, that is the present, past, and the future. Okay. So to know about it, we can draw about draw a line and then see this is the now and this is the past and this is the future. So there are three types of tenses, that is past, present, and the future. So we were talking about this now tense or the present tense, and about the present tense we were discussing the present is simple indefinite and the continuous. Okay, as in the last class I have already told you that each tense can be subdivided into four groups, that is the indefinite, the continuous, the perfect, and the perfect continuous. Okay, so in the simple indefinite we have come to know that the statements in the simple present, we generally use the subject plus base form of the verb. Okay, in the last class we come to know that for simple present tense or simple indefinite form of the simple present tense, what we use is that we use the subject plus base form of the verb with the third person singular subject. However, we add s or es to the base form of the verb. Okay. Now, where does it expresses? What does it express? So, for example, yeah, simple present tense expresses. We also come to know that simple present tense expresses habitual action. That is, it refers to the repeated or regular actions, and it usually used with adverbs. আমি এইটো গম পালো যে simple present tense express করে কি express করে habitual actions বা regularly যিটো habitত পৰিণত হয়, যিটো example যিটো কাম আমি habitually মানে habitৰ দ্বাৰা আমি regularly কামটো কৰো, সেইটোক আমি simple present tense of dhuru. Jene, the pupils pray every day. Dad always cooks the dinner. She usually goes to bed at 8 o'clock in the evening. So, ebilak habit hoy goise. Hoday eke homoyte eke dhornor kam kita kore. So, simple present tense বা simple indefinite tense amak eitu bostu express kore je jibilak kam habit বা অভ্যাসত পৰিণত হয় সেইবিলাক কামক আমি simple present tense ত ধৰো। দ্বিতীয়তে আমি যিবিলাক present state or condition, we use verbs to express the present or condition or state of the subject. যিবিলাকে বস্তুৱে আমাক present condition verb to present condition to বা state of the action to বুজায়, যেনে the Lord hears our prayer, the weather today is cool. সেই condition to বা state of action বুজাইছে, কিহৰ state to বুজাইছে, weather to state to বুজাইছে, Lord কি কৰিছে। So এই বস্তুবিলাক বুজোৱাটোকো আমি simple present tense ত ধৰো। তৃতীয়তে যিবিলাক action বা those actions which are about to happen in near future, jitu future at mane ekdom hunkale ghotibo ba very near in the future it is going to happen, tenikor nisna bilakor khetrot ami future tense use nokori ami present tense use koru. Jene the train leaves at 8:30, the plane arrives at 10 p.m. Aru ক'ত আমি ইউজ কৰোঁ নেক্সট আমি ইউজ কৰোঁ জেনাৰেল ট্ৰুথছ অৰ ফেক্টছ যিবিলাক কথা বা যিবিলাক বাক্য চিৰসত্য যেনে দ্য আৰ্থ মুভছ ৰাউণ্ড দ্য ছান সেইটো চবেই জানে আৰ্থ মুভছ ৰাউণ্ড দ্য ছান দ্য ডেজাৰ্টছ আৰ হট এণ্ড ড্ৰাই এইটো একদম সঁচা কথা ডেজাৰ্টছ আৰ হট এণ্ড ড্ৰাই চ' এনেকুৱাবিলাক ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি পাষ্ট টেন্স বা ফিউচাৰ টেন্স ইউজ নকৰোঁ এনেকুৱা বাক্যবিলাকত আমি সদায় প্ৰেজেণ্ট টেন্স ইউজ কৰোঁ চ' এইখিনি আমি লাষ্ট ক্লাছত গম পালোঁ দ্বিতীয়তে আমি গম পালোঁ যে প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সটো আমি কোড ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সটো আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ য'ত আমি কিবা এটা অ্যাকশন অলৰেডি মোমেন্টত যিটো মোমেন্টত আমি কৈ আছো সেই মোমেন্টত ঘটি আছে মানে ইট ইজ কন্টিনিউইং তো তেনেকুৱা সিচুৱেচন বিলাকত তেনেকুৱা অ্যাকশনস বিলাক সেই সময়ত আমি ভাৰ্বটোৰ পিছফালে ing লগাওঁ ফৰ এক্সাম্পল the format is subject plus is mr plus ing form of the verb. Verb to pisot ami ing logao. Jene I am going to Ranchi. Go pisot ami ki logai so ing. I is the subject is mr plus ing form with the mul verb to logot. Okay. They are planning. Hihote planning kori ase. So this is the main verb. Ar tar pisot ami logai so ing. Okay. So G2 verb G2 condition present continuous hoi thoka ba কাম to চলি থকা বুজাইছে তেনেকুৱা বিলাকক আমি present continuous tense বুলি ধৰু so এইখিনি তো বুজি পাইছা সাগে তোমালোকে আৰু present continuous tense to ক'ত use হয় আৰু present continuous tense to use হয় actions which are happening at or around the moment of speaking যিবিলাক actions happen হৈ আছে এই মুহূৰ্তত ঘটি আছে বা they have started sometime in the past and are continuing till now এতিয়ালৈকে ঘটি আছে সেই actions বিলাক তেনেকুৱা নিচিনা ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি present continuous tense to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ an action which may not be happening at the time of speaking এই মুহূৰ্তত কথা কৈ থকা মুহূৰ্তটোত হয়তো action নহব পাৰে it may not be but the process started hoyto kintu he process to hoyto start hoisile olop agote ba sometime back ke jani past or arambho hoisile kintu etiao he bostu to continue kori ase hoyto eneko hobo pare je ei muhurtot kotha kwa moment tut he action to hoi na thakibo pare I am painting a picture moi hoyto tumar lor kotha pati thoka moi picture to painting korato olop der karone rokhai thuisu কিন্তু মই তো স্টার্ট কৰিলোৱে আগতে পাষ্টতে মই স্টার্ট কৰিলোৱে পেইন্টিং টু আৰু কৰি আছিলো হে কাৰণে আমি ইয়াত কি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো আমি প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স টু ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো an action already planned or arranged in the near future আৰু তেনেকুৱা বিলাক actionৰ কাৰণে যিবিলাক আমি near future planning কৰি থৈছো যেনেকৈ আমি simple present tenseত গম পাইছিলো যে যিবিলাক ঘটনা বা যিবিলাক actions near future ঘটিব গৈ পেলাই it is going to happen in the near future so in those type of sentences we are not using the future tense but we are using the present tense okay similarly here also for those actions which are already planned or arranged enekwa bilak sentence we are not using the future tense but we are using the present continuous tense jene my aunt is coming tomorrow my aunt is coming tomorrow means it is already planned my aunt is going to come tomorrow more auntie kaile ahibo hetu ami already sobe janu it's a pre planned it planning hoi ase already so tenekwa bilak sentence or karone ami ki bebohar koru we use the present continuous tense so next we are using present continuous tense for a particular obstinate habit mane jitu habit manor change nohoy it does not habit change my neighbor is constantly asking for something or the other my neighbor more usor subriya jane hoday bostu khuji thake itur pisot hitu every day so those kind of sentences obstinate habits tenekwa jibilake show kore jibilak example actions amak obstinate habits bilak show kore tenekwa bilakor karneo ami present continuous tense to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো ওকে সো এইখিনিলৈকে তোমালোকৰ ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে present tense simple indefinite আৰু present continuous so now we are moving on to the third category of the tense that is the present perfect tense আজি এতিয়া আমি third category টুলে গৈছো হেতু হৈছে present perfect tense perfect already means perfect বুলি ক'লে কি বুজিছা perfect মানে কিবা এটা কাম completely fit মানে শেষ হৈছে perfect so সেইকাৰণে এই টেন্সটোত প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সটোত বুজাইছে যে কিবা এটা ঘটনা বা কিবা এটা অ্যাকশন অলৰেডি ফিনিশড হ'ল স্টাৰ্ট হৈও ফিনিশড হ'ল so statements in the present perfect tense have this form okay statements যিবিলাক statements present perfect tense ত থাকে সিহঁতৰ ফৰমেটটো হ'ল এইটো subject plus have বা has যিকোনো এটা লাগিব plus past participle of the verb to past participle jene Roman subject has written past participle of the verb a poem okay Roman here subject hol has ba have logabo boli koisiru nohoy so has aru past participle of the verb write root written so written we have completed our essays we have completed our essays বুজি পাইছা নহয় okay so negative statements have the form aru negative jetia hoy tetia kintu not eta lagibo not to quote lagibo subject plus have has plus not have has or pisot not to ahibo okay plus past participle of the main verb etu monot rakhiba present perfect tense or past participle of the verb for in negative statements for present perfect tense and for interrogative sentences we are using the past participle of the main verb okay so negative statement ot keneke ahibo subject plus have has plus not plus past participle of the main verb so ki hobo example so he has not written a poem he subject has have or has then not and past participle of the verb that is written we have not completed our essays we have not past participle completed our essays okay so past participle jetia negative ot likhiba tetia hole not to humabo has aru have or pisot otherwise the format of a present perfect tense statement or a sentence is subject plus have has plus past participle of the verb বুজি পালা যদি নেগেটিভ হয় তেতিয়া হলে have has or pisot not to humabo aru otherwise present perfect tense or statement to hold subject have has plus past participle of the main verb next ahilu ami questions hole by interrogative sentence questions in the present perfect have the form so questions bilakot ki hobo questions bilakot thakibo present perfect have has tetia kintu have has to agot ahibo plus subject ditiote jabo plus past participle of the main verb okay has he written a poem aru hoday monot rakhiba enekwa bilakor pispale lastot interrogation sign to ahibo jitu question mark bili ami kom has he written a poem question mark have we completed our essays okay so this is the present perfect tense etia ami ketaman questions ole exercise ole ahu one this wa tumaluke complete the sentence in present continuous with the verbs given in brackets okay okay etia ami present perfect tense to ami ketia use koru we use the present perfect tense to talk about experiences it is important if we have done it in our lives or not it is not important we did it okay so present perfect tense ot ami ki koru present perfect tense to ami ketia bebohar koru when to use it to talk about experiences kiba experience kobor karone it is not important he dorkar nai je it is not important we have done it or not in our lives or not amar ami jibon kalot heka experience to korlu ne na it's not important what we did it is not important what we did when we did it I have been abroad 2 times. Mira has broken a leg. Hetu experience. Okay, Mira has broken. I have been abroad 2 times. Moi bahirot dubar goisilu. Mira has broken a leg. Have you ever eaten bamboo shoot? We often use never and ever with the present perfect tense to talk about experience. Etu monot rakhiba. Ami never aru ever এই দুটা বাক্য এই দুটা word আমি use কৰো present perfect tense ত কেতিয়া experience বিলাক কবৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ যদি কিবা অভিজ্ঞতা আছে sentence টোত আমি হেতে অভিজ্ঞতাটোৰ বিষয়ে sentence টোত কব লাগে তেতিয়া হলে আমি never আৰু ever use কৰো okay have you ever eaten bamboo shoot তেনেকুৱা নিচিনা বিলাকত I have never been to London before মই কেতিয়াও লণ্ডন যোৱা নাই so তেনেকুৱা বিলাক sentences বা experience কবৰ কাৰণে আমি সদায় never আৰু ever ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো We use the present perfect tense to talk about an action which started in the past and continues up to now. Aru ami ketia use koru? Ami present perfect tense to use koru to talk about an action which started in the past and continues up to now. I have been a teacher for more than 10 years. We haven't seen Rina since Friday the 25th June. How long have you been at this school? গম পালানে আমি present perfect tense টো কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো যে তেতিয়া আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো যেতিয়া যিকোনো এটা actionৰ বা ঘটনাৰ বিষয়ে আমি কব লাগে আৰু সেই actionটো কোনবা এটা টাইমতে pastত কোনবা এটা সময়ত হেতু আৰম্ভ হ'ল আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে কন্টিনিউ হৈ আছে টাইম গ্ৰাফখনত চোৱা এটো হৈ গল past আৰু এটো হৈ গল now বা present আৰু এই ঘটনাটো প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সৰ ঘটনাটো সামটাইম এনেকুৱাত আৰম্ভ হ'ল পাষ্টৰ আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে হেতু চলি আছে till now it is continuing so তেনেকুৱা বিলাক সেন্টেন্স মেনশন কৰিবলৈ হলে তেনেকুৱা বিলাকৰ বিষয়ে আমাক ক'বলৈ হলে আমি কি কৰো আমি প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সটো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো I have been a teacher for more than 10 years মই টিচাৰ 10 yearsৰ কাৰণে কৰি আছো আৰু এতিয়াও কৰি আছো so I have been a teacher for more than 10 years. 10 years or পৰা মই teacher হৈয়ে আছো আৰু এতিয়াও মই teacher. We haven't seen Rina since Friday the 25th June. আমি ৰিনাক 25th Juneৰ পৰা দেখা নাই আৰু আজিও দেখা নাই. How long have you been at this school? Question হলে how long have you been at this school? Question mark. Okay? We often use since and for to say how long the action has lasted. We use since when we specify start time and for when we refer to period of time. Okay? Monot rakhiba. We often use since and for to say how long the action has lasted. Ami since aru for to use koru. Since aru for to ami use koru action to kiman deri karne ghotile. How long it has lasted. Aru we use since when we specify start time. আৰু সিন্সটো আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো যেতিয়া স্টার্ট টাইম দিয়া হয় মানে সময়টোৰ আৰম্ভণিটো যেনে এটা ধৰিলো মই 25 জুনৰ পৰা ৰিনাক দেখা নাই সো স্টার্টিং টাইমটো দিয়া হৈছে আমাক কেতিয়াৰ পৰা দেখা নাই মই 25 জুনৰ পৰা সেই তেনেকুৱা স্টার্ট টাইম যত মেনশন কৰা থাকে তাত আমি সিন্স ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো আৰু আমি যেতিয়া when we specify start time and for when we refer to period of time আৰু for টো কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো আমি যেতিয়া period of time for how long have you been at this school যেনে ধৰিলোৱা I have been a teacher for more than 10 years exactly মই কোন দিনৰ পৰা টিচাৰ হৈছো মই এটো ক'ব নোৱাৰো কিন্তু 10 বছৰ মান হৈ গল so period of time মানে start time টো দিয়া নাই তাত এটা মানে টাইম এটাহে দি দিছে যে মই 10 বছৰৰ কাৰণে হলু তেনেকুৱা exactly period start time টো মেনশন কৰা নাই সেই তেনেকুৱা period of time বিলাক যত মেনশন কৰে তাত আমি for use কৰো আৰু যত specifically start time দিয়া হয় তাত আমি since mention কৰো okay আৰু যত মানে period টো কোৱা হয় exactly হেতুত আমি for mention কৰো clear Next, we use the present perfect tense to talk about a past action that has the result in the present. Aru, ami present perfect tense to kod bebohar koro to talk about a past action. Kiba ta action already ghoti gol past. Hey action tur ৰিজাল্টটো কিন্তু আমি প্ৰেজেন্টতহে পাইছো I have just lost my purse তাৰ মানে মোৰ এতিয়া ৰিজাল্ট কি মোৰ পাৰ্চটো নাই I have just lost my purse Ram has already gone to Jorhat তাৰ মানে he isn't here now তো এনেকুৱা বিলাক সেন্টেন্সৰ কাৰণে যিবিলাকে একশনটো অলৰেডি হৈ গল একশনটো ঘটি গল কিন্তু তাৰ ৰিজাল্টটো আমি এতিয়াহে পাইছো তেনেকুৱা বিলাকত আমি present perfect tense টো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো Have you finished your homework? Is your homework ready? Question হলে মানে বা interrogative sentence হলে আমি এই ধৰণে লিখো Have you finished your homework? Is your homework ready? Okay? আৰু এইখিনি তোমালোকৰ হে present perfect tense এইখিনি তোমালোকৰ already chapter from the diary of Anne Frank already mentioned আছে তোমালোকে এইখিনি এবাৰ পঢ়িবা Next we are coming to present perfect continuous আমাৰ sub যিটো tense আছিলে চাৰিটাৰ ভিতৰত আমি এটো last tense লৈ আহিছো হেতু হৈছে present perfect continuous tense Statements in the present perfect continuous tense have this form. Okay? যিবিলাক statements present perfect continuous থাকে সেইবিলাকৰ এই ফৰমেটটো আছে কি ফৰমেট subject plus have has plus been plus ing form of the verb okay তো তোমার যেটো প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সত যেটো ফরম্যাট থাকে কন্টিনিউয়াসত যেটো ফরম্যাট থাকে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসত আমি প্রেজেন্ট যেটো সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স পঢ়িছিলো আমি ইনডেফিনিট এক নম্বৰ টেন্সটো যেটো আমি পঢ়িছিলো তাতো কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সটো মনত আছে নহয় তোমালোকৰ কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সটোৰ পিছফালে কি লাগে মূল ভাৰ্বটোৰ পিছত ing লাগে হয়নে সো ইয়াতো সিমিলাৰ হ'ব সাবজেক্ট প্লাস have আৰু has plus been bwn plus ing form of the verb আৰু verbৰ ing form to example he has been writing a poem regularly মন কৰা subject has বা have has been তাৰ পিছত write ing writing poems regularly okay Bina has been feeling unwell since morning okay ইয়াত দেখিছা নাই since দিছে period start time যে নাই সেই কাৰণে এটো since দিছে Bina has been feeling unwell since morning আৰু এটো হৈ গল তোমাৰ ফৰম্যাটটো এটো হৈ গল মেইন যেটো প্ৰেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স থাকে তাৰ মেইন ফৰম্যাটটো হল এটো আৰু এতিয়া আমি নেগেটিভত লিখিবলৈ হলে কেনেকৈ লিখিম negative statements in the present perfect continuous have tense have this format okay negative statements যিবিলাক থাকে এটো present perfect tenseত ফৰম্যাটটো এটো হল subject plus have has plus not plus ing form of the main verb মন কৰিছানে আগতেও যিকিটা আমি not negative sentence কৰিছিলো সেই negative sentenceতো এনেকৈ not টো ভৰুৱা হৈছিলে হয়নে so similarly ইয়াতো একে subject plus have has plus not plus ing form of the main verb মূল ভাৰ্বটোৰ ing form টো he has not been writing poems lately okay normally যেটো statement sentence hoy statement sentence ot hole he has been writing poems regularly aru negative hole he has not been binor agot not to ahibo okay subject plus have has plus not plus ing form of the verb okay tar etu be nahibo thaki gose Bina has not been feeling well since morning Bina has not been feeling well since morning mon korisane subject has have not been ing form of the verb okay next questions in the present perfect continuous have this form aru questions bilak kenekwa formot thake questions bilak thake etu format have has plus subject plus been plus ing form of the main verb okay questions bilak hole mane questions jodi thake tetia hole present perfect continuous ot question format to hol etu have, has plus subject plus been plus ing form of the main verb. Has he been writing poems as usual? Has Bina been feeling unwell? Okay. Has subject been feeling ing question mark. Okay. Has subject been ing question mark. Has have question গম পালা নহয় ইন্টাৰগেটিভ যিটো সেন্টেন্স থাকে হেতুৰ ফৰমেটটো হল এটো have has plus subject plus been plus ing form of the main verb. Okay, so present continuous tense. Etia present continuous tense is used to talk about. Present continuous tense to আমি কত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো বা কোন সময়ত আমি এটো ইউজ কৰো? আমি present continuous tense to use kuru to talk about an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing. Okay, present perfect continuous tense to ami ketia use kuru tetia use kuru eta action kobor karne jitu action began at some time in the past and is still continuing. Past dot etu time graph dal dako jua timeline dalle now past আৰু এটো future. So sometime in the past a action to আৰম্ভ হল sometime in the past. এতিয়া pastত কেতিয়াবা আৰম্ভ হল আৰু কোনবা এটা সময়ত pastত আৰম্ভ হল আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে হি কন্টিনিউ কৰি আছে. An action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing. Example, she has been teaching in that school for 5 years and she is still teaching now. আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে মানে টিচিং কৰি আছে. So she has been teaching in that school for 5 years. Present perfect continuous tense. গম পাইছা নে? Present perfect continuous tense to আমি তেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো সেইবিলাক actions আমি show কৰিবৰ কাৰণে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো যিবিলাক action আৰম্ভ হল somewhere in the past. কোনবা এটা সময়ত pastত আৰম্ভ হল কেতিয়া আৰম্ভ হল আমিও নাজানো সেই কথাটো but আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে সেই actionটো continue কৰি আছে যেনে she has been teaching in that school for 5 years. 5 বছৰ ধৰি তেখেতে সেই স্কুলখনত শিক্ষকতা কৰি আছে আৰু এতিয়াও তেওঁ তাতে টিচিং কৰি আছে. Okay, so এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বাক্যবিলাকৰ কাৰণে আমি present perfect continuous tense to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো. Okay, now আমি এটা এক্সাৰসাইজ এৰি গৈছিলো আগতে present continuous tense or so let's go to that one. Okay, হেদিনাখন যিটো টাইমৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ টাইম কনস্ট্ৰেইন so আমি হেইটো থাকি গল আমাৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে present continuous tense or আমি আজি present continuous tense or exercise to কৰিম লগতে বাকি কিটা exercise ও কৰিম. So মনত আছে নহয় present continuous tense to আমি কোড ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো আছে না নাই? Present continuous tense is used for actions which are happening at around the moment of speaking. যিটো সময়ত আমি কথাটো পাতি আছো সেই সময়ত action to আৰম্ভ হৈছে মানে ঘটি আছে. It is continuing at that moment. যেনে I am reading a book. She is working very hard nowadays. Next, an action which may not actually be happening at the time of speaking, but the process started sometime back and is not complete. আৰু actionটো হয়তো সেই সময়ত actually নঘটিব পাৰে but the process started কিন্তু processটো আৰম্ভ হল sometime back and it is not yet complete. I am painting a picture. She is reading Pride and Prejudice. তাই পঢ়ি আছে নভেলখন but হয়তো এই মোমেন্টত পঢ়া নাই but she is reading. An action already planned or arranged in the near future. Actions into planning already কৰি থোৱা হৈছে near future ৰ কাৰণে যেনে my aunt is coming tomorrow. They are leaving in 2 days. So এনেকুৱা বিলাকৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি present continuous tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো. An obstinate habit. My neighbor is constantly asking for something or the other. The lady is always complaining about the noise. So এনেকুৱা বিলাক sentence ৰ কাৰণে obstinate ব্যৱহাৰ words ৰ কাৰণে আমি present continuous tense to ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো আৰু we used adverbs like always and constantly. আমি adverbs kita use কৰো always আৰু constantly with such statement. Obstinate habits বিলাক show কৰিবৰ কাৰণে বা মানুহৰ যিবিলাক habits সদায় it is not changed বা change নহয় কেতিয়াও তেনেকুৱা বিলাক habits আমি use show কৰিবৰ কাৰণে দেখাবৰ কাৰণে আমি constantly আৰু always আমি reference ৰ লগত use কৰো. The adverbs come between the helping verbs and the ing form of the verb. আৰু এই adverbs kita সদায় আহে helping verbs and ing form of the verb. Okay? যেনে my neighbor is constantly asking for ing form of the verb asking. The lady is always complaining ing form of the verb. Aru adverb come between the helping verb is aru is. Okay? Aru etu monot rakhiba, we do not normally use the following verbs in the continuous forms. Ami ei verb kita ami continuous form ot use nokoru generally aru normally ami ei kita form continuous form ot use nokoru for any of the tenses present, past and future. Verbs of perceptions like see, hear, smell, recognize, appear, seem, look. Ekita ami jikunu eta tense to present, past or future ami ketiao etu continuous forms of poraporikhot ami bebohar nokoru unless and until the situation and the sentence demands. Verbs of emotion jene want, wish, desire, feel, love, hate, hope, prefer এইবিলাক আমি continuous tense of ব্যৱহাৰ নকৰো. Hating এনেকুৱা নিচিনা words আমি use নকৰো. Preferring. Verbs of thinking অতো আমি এইবিলাক words আমি use নকৰো. যিকোনো এটা tense অতো আমি continuous tense ব্যৱহাৰ নকৰো. Supposing বুলি আমি কেতিয়াও নকওঁ. Agreeing, imagine, mean, minding এনেকুৱা নিচিনা words বিলাক আমি continuous tense of past, present or future to ami bebohar nokoru. So ekhini hol gol tumar present continuous tense or uses khini ami keneke use koru. So now let's move on to the exercises. Okay, exercise korar agot ekita moi khali tumalok okman rewind kori dilu. So ki hobo etia, complete the sentence in present continuous with the verbs given in brackets. Okay, verbs to bracket or dia ase eta continuous tense to present continuous tense to bebohar koribo lage aru sentence to complete koribo lage. Keneke hobo etia, the birds blank within brackets sing. Ki hobo, the birds are singing. My sister blank within bracket watch TV and I blank within bracket read a book. Ki hobo, my sister is watching TV and I am reading a book. Kompalane ei homoyot tumi action to kori asa reading, you are continuing tumi ei homoyot kam to kori asa, so you are using ing form of the mole verb jane reading. Next, we blank within bracket have a very good time on holidays. Ki hobo, tar mane etu action to soli ase de etia continuous tense nohoy present continuous tense. We blank within bracket have a very good time on holidays. tar mane we are having a very good time on holidays. tar mane present ot soli ase to etu holidays on, so are having. She blank within bracket work at the moment but she finishes at 6. She is working at the moment but she finishes at 6. Blank it blank within bracket rain now. Yes, it is. Ki hobo, question mark nohoy. Is it raining now? Yes, it is. Aru enekwa sentence bilak hole mane সদায় answer to Saba. Yes, it is. Tarmane question mark was a pisfale. So, is it raining now? Meera and Deepa blank within bracket go to the cinema. Meera and Deepa are going to the cinema. Ram blank within bracket play football in the park now. Ram কি হব? Ram is playing football in the park now. Okay? Next, questions. Questions কেনেকে form হয়? কি আছিলে questions ত? Continuous tense of questions ত মনত আছেনে? Am I playing? Are you playing? Are we playing? Is he playing? মনত আছে? Yes. Now we are going to the question sector. এটা question to যাও. Form questions is am plus subject plus ing form of the verb. Etu হৈ গল question or format to. Format to দিয়ে দিছো. Is বা am plus subject. Subject পিছত আহিব. আৰম্ভণি is বা am plus ing form of the verb. Okay? Man run. কি হ'ব? Is the man running? Okay? Meera eat cake. কি হ'ব? Question form কৰা. Is Meera eating cake? Question mark. Okay? That man read the paper. That man read the paper. কি হ'ব? Is that man reading the paper? They wear t-shirts. কি হ'ব? Are they wearing t-shirts? Are they wearing t-shirts? The birds fly. Are the birds flying? Main verb to ing form লাগিব. Is mr. Is mr plus subject plus main verb. Are the birds আৰু তাৰ পিছত আহিব question mark. You listen to me. কি হ'ব? You listen to me. Are you listening to me? Question mark no interrogative sentence নহয় হেকাৰণে is am are আগত আহিব তাৰ পিছত subject তাৰ পিছত ing form of the verb. Okay? Since it is a question sentence, since these are all interrogative sentence, so the format is am are plus subject plus ing form of the verb. এইটো মনত ৰাখিবা. Formatটো মনত ৰাখিবা তেতিয়া হলে answer কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে easy হয়. আৰু সদায় sentenceটো শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছত interrogative sentence শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছত মনত ৰাখিবা you are always supposed to give a question mark. Okay? Now negatives. এতিয়া negative. Negative মনত আছে নাই? Negative আমি কেনেকৈ কৰিছিলো? Yes. Negative format to কি হয়? Subject plus is am are plus not plus ing form of the verb. Okay? So এইটো হৈ গল negative format. Subject plus is am are plus not plus ing form of the verb. যেনে I am not playing. You are not playing. We are not playing. They are not playing. He is not playing. She is not playing. It is not playing. আৰু আমি last class already কৈছিলো am not or contracted form হল am not are not a contracted form whole, aren't is not a contracted form whole, isn't. Okay, so now moving on to the exercise. Okay, write the sentences in negatives. Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus base form of the verb, মানে মূল verb to. Okay, Mrs. Borua is watching her favorite serial. কি হব নেগেটিভত? Mrs. Borua is not watching her favorite serial. That boy is eating an ice cream. That boy is not eating an ice cream. I'm going to the mountain. I am not going to the mountain. They are making dinner. They are not making dinner. মন কৰিছা নে তোমালোকে বাক্যকেইটা? যেনে ফৰমেটটো আছে subject is, am, are plus not plus base form of the verb. যেনে subject Mrs. Borua, is, am, are is, not আহিলে not আৰু base form of the verb watching her serial. That boy is eating and that boy is আৰু continuous যিহেতু হয় নেগেটিভত হে লিখিছো আমি continuous tenseৰে হয় এটো so subject is not আৰু ing form of the verb. Okay, so এই বস্তুখিনি প্ৰেক্টিস কৰি থাকিবা তোমালোকে তাৰ পিছত নেক্সট আহিলে আমাৰ এতিয়া exercises. We are moving on to the exercises of present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so present perfect tense tumalukor already from the diary of Anne Frank lesson to ase tumaluke okoman he lesson to pohiba activity khini you will get it there also aru ekhini swite exercises fila. Present perfect tense exercise. Present perfect tense or format to hold a subject plus have has plus past participle of the verb. Okay, subject plus have has plus past participle of the verb. Put the verbs in the correct form. Eta verb to correct form of diba. I not work blank today. Ki hobo? Subject to ase already dia I. Tar pisot ki hobo? Have. I not ase no have not aru past participle koise nohoy worked today. I have not worked today. We within bracket buy blank a new lamp. We have bought past participle by bought a new lamp. We not plan blank a holiday yet. We have not planned past participle our holiday yet. Got it? Buji paisa? Where be you? Where have you been? He write within bracket write blank 5 letter. He has written 5 letters. She not see within bracket not see him for a long time. She has not seen him for a long time. See past participle seen. School not start within bracket not start blank yet. School has not started. Be you. Have you been at school? যেহেতু এটো interrogative sentence. No, he have not to within bracket the time yet. No, he has not had the time yet. Okay, so exercise khini practice koriba tumaluke. Exercise khini practice korile hobo. Next asile make sentences in the negatives. negative হল negative format to কি হয় subject plus have has plus not plus participle past participle দেই has subject plus have has plus not plus past participle of the main verb we not go to Paris কি হব we haven't gone to Paris মনত ৰাখিবা এটো নেগেটিভ নহয় এই কাৰণে এটো contracted formত লিখিছো haven't have not to contracted form haven't she not see the Lord of Rings she hasn't seen the Lord of Rings hasn't মানে has not আৰু have not he not meet my mother he hasn't met my mother next they not visit Sibsagar they have not visited Sibsagar she not make dinner she hasn't made dinner okay বুজি পালা হেখিনি next আহিলো আমি interrogative interrogative or format to বা question or format to হল have has plus subject plus past participle of the main verb have has আগতে আহিব তাৰ পিছত subject plus past participle of the main verb okay I have eaten an apple কি হব আৰম্ভণি Have I eaten an apple? Question mark. You have bought some bread. What will it be? Have you bought some bread? They have lost their dog. Has they lost their dog? Has have যিহেতু আৰম্ভণিতে আহিব সেইকাৰণে has they lost their dog. It has been a lovely day. Has it been a lovely day? Okay. Present perfect continuous are to exercise. Next one. Subject plus have has plus been plus ing form of the verb. Okay. She within bracket work here for 5 years. কি হব answer? She has been working for 5 years. Has যিহেতু তাৰপিছত been লগাব লাগিব তাৰপিছত ing form present perfect continuous tense এটো I study all day I have been studying all day you blank eat a lot recently you have been eating a lot recently we blank within bracket live in Guwahati for 6 months. We have been living in Guwahati for 6 months. He within bracket play football so he is tired. He has been playing football so he is tired. She go to cinema every weekend for years. She has been going to the cinema every weekend for years. Okay? Negative what likha? Negative what ki hobo? You not eat well recently. You have not been eating well recently. We not exercise enough. We have not been exercising enough. She not study. She has not been studying. I not sleep. I was reading. I have not been sleeping. I was reading. They not watch TV much recently. They have not been watching TV much recently. Okay? আৰু continuous tense or exercise এইকিটা তোমালোকে ঘৰত কৰিবা Use words below to form present perfect continuous tense questions. You study hard. Format to ki hoy? Have, has plus subject plus been plus ing form of the main verb. Have you study hard? Have you been studying hard? You learn English. Have you been learning English? Okay? তাৰপিছত তোমালোকে এইখিনি আওৰাবা আৰু এইটোৱে হল প্ৰেজেন্ট সিম্পল প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্স টোৰ আমি এইখিনিতে আজি সামৰণি দিলো আৰু হোপ উইল গো থ্ৰু দ্য এক্সাৰসাইজ তোমালোকে যিখিনি কৰিলো আজি সেইখিনি এবাৰ গোটেইখিনি ৰিভিজন কৰিবা নেক্সট ক্লাছটোত আমি পাষ্ট টেন্স কৰিম আৰু I hope it was not very hard for you and thank you everyone for being a part of this class today. Okay, so see you in the next class too. Thank you.